Welcome to the introduction for the Las Vegas Motorcoach Resort app. My name's Chase Mart. I'm on the board of directors, and today I'm going to do a little tutorial on our app. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android, the processes are going to be very similar. Today we're going to be using my iPhone. So let's download the app. In order to download the app, you need to go to the App Store. Here's the App Store icon. I'm going to tap the icon. Up here on the top in the search function, I'm going to enter Las Vegas Motorcoach Oops, I made a little mistake there. Las Vegas Motorcoach Resort. And you can see that it already found the Las Vegas Motorcoach Resort. I'm going to tap the Las Vegas Motorcoach Resort. It has found our app right here, and I'm going to download it. You can see our logo. Just come over here to the right. You may have this cloud or a different symbol, but just click whatever symbol is there, and it will download the app for you. Once the app is downloaded, you can either open it right here, or what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this window so that you can see the Las Vegas Motorcoach icon and open it from here. So just simply tap on this icon. That will open the Las Vegas Motorcoach Resort. It's going to ask you a few questions here one time at the beginning. We're going to want to click Allow while using app. So we're going to click that, tap it. The next thing is going to happen is you need to click Allow or tap Allow right there. Now you're into the app and things are set up properly. Notice right here under Messages, we have a notification telling us that we have a message. I'll get back to this in a minute. And this is an important function of the app, and this is one of the ways that the resort will be communicating with you in a real-time fashion. But let's get started at the top. Up here at the top are the settings. If you click this, it will show you the settings. You can see right here where it says login. We are not logged in as an owner right now. We're just logged in as a general user. I will be doing a different video on how to log in as an owner, but that's not for today. We're going to now click back over here on the app. It brings up the main page again. And we are now in our app, and this information that you see, these icons, provide an enormous amount of information regarding the resort. Again, this information is set up both for renters, owners, and just general guests. Later, when we learn how to log in as an owner, you will see a different icon here that is yellow in color and has all kinds of owner portal information. But for today, we're just covering the general information about the app. So we're just going to look at a couple things, and I will encourage you to go in and tap on all these different icons and play with the app a little bit to learn about it. Let's start with the welcome icon. If we click on the welcome icon right here, it brings up sub-icons of information that we can look at. If we click welcome again, it just gives us welcome information about the resort, a little bit of information renters and people need to know. If you keep clicking these other icons, it brings up other information such as regulations, the speed limit, quiet hours, so on and so forth. So you can click on any of this information and it will show you different things about the resort. We have an icon here called Resort Activities, which will tell you what's going on in the resort. Just as an example, Wind Down Wednesday, you can click on this. It gives you further information. If you click on the map function, it will show you where it is on the map right here. You can expand this map out. You can close it back down. Just a handy way for people to be able to find where different activities are in the resort. We have a resort map, so everyone will have a resort map on their phone in the app. You simply tap it. There's the resort map. You can pinch and expand and move it around, and then you can pinch and contract it back. Now I'll click back and we'll look at messages. Messages is going to be important. We have one message here, so let's see what it is. It says, thank you for downloading our app. So we're going to get some more detail on that. And then it gives us more detail on that information. So as you're using the app, you will probably notice that we will have notifications right here letting you know that there's information you need to read about. And you can see we read that message and that notification's gone. We can click on amenities. This shows us the different amenities around this resort. You can click on these and find out different things. For example, here's the pools. We can find the pools on the map. Now we can go back and you can continue to look at this information to find out general information about the resort. Another icon that is very handy is food and local areas. This has a tremendous amount of information about all different kinds of things in the resort. So let's just go to hospitals, for example. You can click on hospitals. This shows you hospitals in the area. If you click on the hospital, it will show you where it's located, the hours. If you want to call them, simply click on call. It will give you their number. If you want to know where it is located, you can map it and it'll map right from where you're at to the hospital. Very handy feature. Also, same information for emergency rooms, pet care. If your pet is sick, you need a pet hospital, you can do the same thing. It's got the same information for the pet hospitals, and it also gives you many different selections for the pet hospitals. Same type of information for RV services, banking, churches, outdoor activities, entertainment, top attractions in Vegas, top shows. There's a tremendous amount of information here available for all users of the app. Next is site rentals, lot sales, talk to us. You can get the weather, there are emergency phone numbers, 911, poison control, again, veterinarians, first aid. We have a whole first aid section. If you click on this, and you can click right here, it gives you a whole section about the basic first aid on how to use it. So very handy little function to have on your phone. We have some other information about the office. You can just click right here on the office icon. It will give you information about the office, the employees, their names. The same thing with security. And we're going to have a gate entry request to allow you to provide information to the gate on your guests so you don't have to always call, and then how to get an Uber and what the requirements are for that. So that's a basic general overview of the Las Vegas Motorcoach Resort app. You can come up here and search for anything if you need to. And that pretty much concludes the tutorial for today. I will be sending out another tutorial on how to log in as an owner soon. So please download the app and enjoy exploring it. Thank you and goodbye.